Are you looking for info about St. George window installers? You're in the right place. Selecting the right window installer is crucial for ensuring your windows look great and function well. This guide will steer you in the right direction. Now, many homeowners make the mistake of rushing the selection process. They might go for the first installer they find. Instead, research local providers to ensure quality service. Now, this saves you from headaches later. Another common blunder is failing to compare multiple quotes. A reasonable price doesn't always mean the best service. Gather home window install quotes and evaluate them thoroughly. Moreover, neglecting to check reviews can lead to poor choices. Research your window installers to find reliable reviews and material quality. Past projects speak volumes. St. George offers unique window options perfect for our landscape. Understanding the local market can help you choose better quality materials tailored to your home. Let's address a big concern. How long does window installation take? On average, installations can last between a few hours to a day, depending on your home and number of windows. Now, let's tackle another important question about pricing. Home window install quotes in St. George can vary widely based on materials and service quality. Always ask for an estimate up front. And finally, many ask about warranties. Reliable window installers typically offer warranties that protect your investment, boosting your confidence in the chosen options. Ready for your new windows? Call us now for a free, no-obligation quote at 435-900-8696 or visit homewindowsstgeorge.com. Let's transform your home together.